Today I'm going to explain to you how to work on your new assignment. It is called foreshadowing. So let's go to the actual assignment. Read instructions. Click on the foreshadowing hyperdoc. This is your foreshadowing hyperdoc. This is where all of your instructions are. Please click on each highlighted and underlined link. Read and follow directions step by step. Your attached foreshadowing Google Doc is for your answers. So this Google Doc, this is where you're going to put your answers. You don't need to attach new Google Doc. It is already done for you. You will be inserting PR code or a link for your recorded answer in this document. You will also type your answers for 2 questions there as well. So let's go to your foreshadowing hyperdoc first. This is what it looks like. Let's move the video out of the way a little bit. So it has activate prior knowledge, engage, apply, create, share, and assess. So we'll start from very top, from very beginning. Click on a link to find an interactive anchor chart for later devices. This is your link. If you click on it, it's going to take you to actual interactive anchor chart. So you'll have to click on the link and you will need to find foreshadowing on that anchor chart and click on it. Read. Then you need to click on the green shape right here on the left to record an answer to the following question. What is foreshadowing? Save as a file or PR code and post it to this assignment in your Google Docs. So in order to have your answer recorded, I try to make it as easy as possible. All you have to do, you go right here, you click on it, it's going to take you to a special recording site, and you will click on the recording button when you're ready to talk. So make sure you write down your answer first, what foreshadowing is. And remember, when you provide an answer, always use complete sentences. So your recording will be something like this. Foreshadowing is pam 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 pam. I'm not going to give you the answer because I don't want you to copy me. So after you finish recording, you click stop, click on save and share, and you can get either PR code, which I will explain in your Zoom lesson on Tuesday and Thursday, or it gives you a link. And I already provided instructions how to insert a link in your Google Doc in this lesson. So we can click copy. Gonna go back to our HyperDoc, and what I can do, I can go back to my assignment, click on my foreshadowing Google Doc because I already have the recorded answer. So I'm gonna paste it right here. So it says PR code, paste here, but I'm not going to have a PR code. I'm gonna have a link. So I'm gonna highlight it. I'm gonna click on the link right here. It's gonna pop up as a little window, and I'm gonna post it right here, and I'm gonna click apply. Now, if I click on it, it's going to give me the actual recorded voice. So when I check your submitted Google Doc document, I'll click on it and it's going to give me your recorded answer. Okay, so going back to your HyperDoc, we finished with this part. We're moving on to the next one. Engage. Click on YouTube symbol to watch a video. So if I click on this symbol right here, it's going to pop up as a link for a YouTube video about a later device foreshadowing. Please watch it. Take notes. While you're watching, you need to write 2 new or interesting facts that you learned about foreshadowing. You will need to write it in your Google Doc. So when you go back to your Google Doc right here, you will post your answer right here. Write 2 new or interesting facts you learned about foreshadowing. So fact 1, write it out. Please provide your answers in full, complete sentences. Fact 2, going back, you will need to write 2 lingering questions you still have about foreshadowing. So if you still are not sure about something, you need to come up with 2 questions about foreshadowing and write them right here as well. So write 4 things. 2 for your interesting facts or something you learn about foreshadowing, and 2 questions that you need to make that you still have about foreshadowing. Now, we are going to apply and create. You need to go to actively learn. If you click right here, it's going to take you to actively learn, and you will need to log in with your Google login information, and you need to read the following article. The following article is called Foreshadowing. Read it, answer questions in your actively learn. After you complete actively learn assignment, you go to share. Here, I created a video for you how to insert or create a link for your Google Drive file. So if you click on it, you're going to have another video that you can watch, and it will tell you how to get a shareable link for your Google Doc where you put all of your answers, and how to put the answers or that link in a Google Doc. And the last thing, after you completed everything and now you're really good and you know all about foreshadowing, you can actually complete quiz. So if you click right here, it's going to take you to the quiz. Click on it, take your quiz, and then when you finish up so everything, you will need to get your shareable, shareable link. See, it's already done right here. Click on it, copy your link, and then you will need to go into your HyperDoc and insert your shareable link right here. So click on it, paste it, apply it, done. So after you finish all of your assignments, all of the special steps that you have here, you simply go back to your foreshadowing document, check that you have your recorded answer, check that you have 4 things tapped up here: 2 for interesting facts you learn about foreshadowing, and 2 questions that you still have about foreshadowing, and then get your shareable link, post it into your Google HyperDoc right here, and then make sure you submit your assignment in Google Classroom. After this, you're done. I'd like to remind you that every Tuesday and Thursday, we have our Zoom lessons where I'm going to go over all of your new assignments. I'm going to explain all of your older assignments. And if you need to practice any specific skills for your assignments, we can do it as well. So that's it for now. Hopefully, I'll see you in Zoom lesson very soon. Bye.